How to fix ROBLOX not loading. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have a stable Wi-Fi connection on your device, and if not your Wi-Fi connection, you can also switch to SLR data. After that, what you can do is just go to the Play Store application, and over here on the search bar, just search for ROBLOX. Make sure that you have an updated version of the application on your device. So as you can see, there's an update available for the ROBLOX application on my device. So I'll just have a tap on update, and after getting it updated, just go back and make a long press on the ROBLOX application over here. So after making a long press on the ROBLOX, it will lead you to the app info option. If you tap on it, then you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it, then tap on clear cache, then tap on OK. Then go to the app permissions and make sure that you have toggled on all the required options such as contacts, files and media, microphone and camera as well. After doing that, your problem might be solved. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today, and see you next time.